We're going to introduce you to the major concepts involved in setting up the 1553 scheduler by using a small application with 4 minor frames. Actual systems may use these concepts to scale to a much more complex system. Section 1, the major and minor frame clocks. The major frame clock tells the major frame when to restart. If it's set to 1 Hertz, the major frame will restart every second. The minor frame clock indicates how many minor frames can be processed within the major frame cycle. Say the major frame clock is 1 Hertz, which means the major frame will restart every second. If there are 4 minor frames, and the minor frame clock is set to 4 Hertz, then all 4 minor frames will be executed before the major frame restarts. If there are 4 minor frames and the minor frame clock is set to 2, then only 2 of the minor frames will be executed before the major frame restarts. Section 2. How to send a command at a certain frequency. In this example so far, each command is sent once every major frame cycle, or at 1 Hertz. In more complex systems, you may need to send a command at a higher rate, say 2 Hertz. To accomplish this, just add 2 of the same commands into the major frame. Section 3. How to set commands to go on a particular time boundary. If you need to make minor frames execute at a certain point in the major frame cycle, you need to add no-op commands. For example, say the major frame clock is 1 Hertz and you have 4 commands, but you actually need them to go out at 1/8 of a second boundaries. You will need to add no-op commands to accomplish this. We've introduced you to some of the major components of the 1553 scheduler. There's certainly much more functionality in the 1553 system. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or send us an email. You can look us up on the web at www.ueidaq.com.